The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Defiance County in northwest Ohio, southeastern Henry County in northwest Ohio, northwestern Putnam County in west central Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Continental or about 11 miles southwest of Deschler, and moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, quarter-size hail and 95-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged or roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Significant tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Hallgate around 5:15 p.m., Deschler around 5:20 p.m., McClure around 5:25 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Prentice, Gallup, Hamler, Ellery, Melinta and Grelton. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors. Move to the close substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating. A tornado warning has been issued for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Henry, and Putnam.